Welcome to a review under 2 where we review something in under 2 minutes. Today it's going to be Final Cut Pro 11. I'm not covering every feature that's updated, just the ones that are super important for YouTubers. So if that's you, let's get into it. Final Cut Pro finally released an update at the end of 2024. Lots of new features, lots of AI features, but the one I use the most for everything is Magnetic Mask. Before we had Magnetic Mask, you either had to install a plugin to remove the background. It took so much time, and now it's just like a click and you can remove the background of any object or person. I feel like that's by far the best feature that I've found in Final Cut 11 that I love, like I'm going to every single day. Another feature everyone's excited about is the auto captions, especially for social media posts. You always want to be captioning your videos. It really increases your ability to reach more people. Final Cut Pro only went like 75% of the way. They gave us auto captions, but they gave us no way to customize them or animate them. So Magnetic Mask is my favorite. Auto captions is not my favorite. A few other things I like is they added some transitions, they added some new effects, but I've already been using the side-by-side transition. I really like that a lot to show before and afters. They have new things like spatial video editing for 3D, but I don't ever edit videos in 3D, so I don't really need those types of features. A lot of these updates don't work unless you're running on Apple Silicon, so I feel like that's also kind of a downside. You need better technology to be even using to transcribe the captions. Overall, I give it 8 out of 10 in terms of an update because I think it's a huge update. I think Magnetic Mask alone makes it a huge update, but it's definitely not all the way there. Like, why didn't they give us customizable captions? Let me know what your thoughts are on Final Cut 11. Do you like it? Have you been trying it? I'll link all the videos below on how to use all these new features because I've dropped a few tutorials on the Magnetic Mask, the auto captions at least, so there are a few new things you can go learn right now. I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, I make videos every 2 weeks on everything video editing, so if you like that type of content, subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here in 2 weeks.